Welcome back. Today I'm going to be carving 3 owls, just like how last week I carved 3 bears. But I'm gonna just start carving 3 owls. I think that's what I'm gonna do today. Take me probably 2.5 hours. But let's just start carving. Stay along. Okay, here's the first owl. So I didn't hit the button on top of the GoPro that makes it start videoing. So I lost a whole bunch of like carving. But the other two, I'll definitely make sure to carve or video when I carve. Okay, so we got the 3 owls right here, and it is time to burn them with the weed burner, and then wire brush them with the wire brush. So let's go. Whoa! That worked. Alright, well, I got them burnt. Now, take the wire brush, and let's brush them all off. Ready? There we go. Got them all wire brushed and everything. Now, it's time to put the eyes in. Watch. There we go. Got the eyes in. Final part. Gotta spray lacquer them, and then I'm done. Let's go. There we go. Got the owls done. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.